Dreams are a series of images, thoughts, or feelings that occur while you are sleeping. The most common part of dreams is their visual imagery, but dreams can include all of the five senses. One of the biggest debates among experts in neuroscience and psychology has to do with the question of why do we dream? What purpose does it serve? And do dreams have underlying meanings? Numerous studies have revealed the diverse content of dreams. Some typical characteristics of dreams include a first-person perspective, an involuntary experience, or a logical or incoherent content. Content that includes other people who interact with the person dreaming and one another, provoking strong emotions, and content which has elements of wakeful life incorporated into it. Even though these features aren't completely universal, they do exist to some extent in most normal dreams. The question of why we dream brings up many theories in and of itself. One such theory is that of building memory. Past studies have shown that dreaming is associated with the consolidation of memories, suggesting that dreaming may have an important role in strengthening memory and information recall. Another theory is that of processing emotion, which is the ability to engage with and rehearse feelings in different contexts. This is theorized to be part of the brain's method for managing emotions. A third theory is that dreams help with mental housekeeping. Periods of dreaming could be the brain's way of getting rid of partial or erroneous or unnecessary information. Dreams usually occur most often during the REM stage of sleep. During this stage, the brain's activity increases significantly, which helps to explain the distinct forms of dreaming during these stages. Dreams that occur in REM sleep are usually more vivid, bizarre, and fantastical, even if they may include aspects of our waking life. Non-REM dreams stand in sharp contrast, tending to involve more coherent content that includes thoughts, memories, which are associated with a very specific time and place. The issue of how to interpret dreams and whether they possess any intrinsic meaning whatsoever are subject to great controversy. While some psychologists have argued that dreams may provide valuable insight into a person's state of mind or everyday life, others find them too bizarre and too inconsistent to have any reliable meaning behind them. The continuity hypothesis suggests that dreams and awake life are entangled with one another, and because of which they often have overlapping themes and content. The discontinuity hypothesis, on the other hand, sees thought processes during dreams and while awake as different from one another structurally. Additionally, dreams can take a multitude of forms, including lucid dreams, vivid ones, and recurring dreams, as well as nightmares. Even in normal dreams, there are certain forms of content that are especially common, including falling, flying, or being chased. Experts in neuroscience and psychology conduct studies and experiments to try and discover more about what is happening in the brain during sleep. But even with all the ongoing research happening, it may just be impossible to fully prove any theory for why we may dream during sleep. However, there are still many routes to take in regards to research on the topic of dreams and how or when they may occur, and there is still a lot we have to learn about them. We have barely scratched the surface of how the human brain operates, and we're learning more and more about it by the day. Eventually, we may discover the answers to questions that we have long held about mysterious neurological phenomena, such as dreams.